Welcome! In front of me is an Honor 200 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your screen. Once that's the case, hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up and share and scroll options visible. Now after a moment it does disappear, as it did for me. Once the screenshot pop-up disappears, you can find the actual screenshot in the Photos application. Now let me go back to the main Photos tab where you probably have your photos open at. So in here you will want to navigate to the library section and screenshots. And in here you'll find screenshots along with also screen recordings. But here's the screenshot that I've captured. And there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.